What up, YouTube? It's your boy TuneChee, and I'm back at y'all again with another freaking video, man. Y'all see it, man. I got the top down. Yes, sir. We still don't know we gonna name it, but you know what I'm saying? We got strawberry shortcake out. You know, I guess that's the little temporary name, you know what I'm saying? That's the name my granny named it, you know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe, click that notification bell, and click all, make sure y'all join the family. Right now, we finna pull up to this pull-up and park spot. Big shout out to my dog, Super Slick. We just went to an event out west, and you know what I'm saying, show a little support. Y'all know, man, supporting all the guys that's rocking with me. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be busting over there, but y'all know we trying to kill two birds with one stone. So we finna go to another little spot, and make sure I don't miss the exit. We finna go to another little spot, and UP. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on for the day, gang. Leave me comments, man. Y'all know what time it is. The grind definitely don't stop, man. All right, y'all, stay tuned. All right. Y'all see, man, we got the Beamer outside. Yes, sir. We don't even know where, gang, we don't even know where to start. Oh, this been nasty. You know what? We gonna start down here first, gang. We gonna start down here. Cause they about to shut it down in a minute. So I just want to give y'all a video. Look at Cordell. Hey! Where'd you land? What's the word?
What it do, man?
Woo!
What's the word,
What's the
baby?
word?
Man, what's going on, y'all?
We got my boy Cordell outside. He got them colors on today, boy. I see you, boy. Drip check. I see you. Yeah.
Just last seen a AAU basketball game.
How you did?
Indiana. That's why I ain't got no voice.
Damn, you done been hollering and shit. Well, I'm finna get these cars real quick, man. I'm gonna let you, bro. I'm finna get these cars real quick. Show y'all what's going on before they shut it down. Look at that. Got them vets. What's the word? Oh, it's over there. It's see a catfish right there. Yeah. Oh yeah, yes sir. Tag me, bro. I'm gonna repost it. All right, bro. Big shout out to all the subscribers, man. They pretty much, we gonna come over here. But we trying to get all this before they shut it down, gang. So we gonna walk back this way.
I'm on the way,
Show y'all what's going on this side. This is where everybody at over here. See. What's going on? What's up? What's going on with it?
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, so you too, man.
Got that piece looking good.
Oh, appreciate it.
Close it up.
Yeah, they snapping, man. Yeah. Look at this thing. Come on, clean. Yeah, leave. Clean. Nice setup box. Oh yeah. Come on, clean right here too. Oh y'all look, you got the telephone in there, y'all. What y'all know about that? You got the old school telephone in there, man. Yeah. Super dope. Stunner Reese, Wild Boy Reese. Wild Boy Reese. Where you gonna go? Yeah, I'm finna leave in a minute when I'm done with this video. You seen it? You checked it out?
Yeah.
Rocking with it? Rocking with it?
Yeah.
Seen it? Okay, for sure, for sure.
I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna tag you.
Yeah, tell you. I'm gonna repost it. Oh yeah, for sure.
I just started like 2 months ago.
Oh yeah, what's your Instagram?
It's RJ Production.
RJ Production.
RJ.PRODUCTION.
Okay.
So don't put an S at the end, put a Z.
Right.
RJ Production.
Put a Z at the end.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make sure I don't get hit with that copyright.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, bro. Yes, sir. All right. Nice right here. They facing the other way. Got some nice lights on there. I like them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice bet right here too. Damn. Ooh-wee. Oh, what up, what up? Hey, how you doing there, buddy? Checking him. I'm like, where's Steve at? Sir. This is the guy that sold me the Forges, gang. Got his vet out. Yeah, that's the guy that sold me the wheels. Real cool people, man. That's my nasty right here. This motherfucker nasty. Hey, nasty. What up, boy? What's the word? Chillin', chillin'. What's going on? What's the word, boy? I see them brought it outside. Yeah. Yes, sir. What y'all finna do? We finna go to the city in a minute. Shit, I'm gonna hit your line probably, I don't know, I'm gonna hit your line. Yeah, I'm gonna hit your line. Oh, what's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? What's going on? How you doing? I see y'all. Okay. Yeah. That's my boy, Mom and Pops, man. Yeah. They got that mug right. Yeah. I cut my hair out. Yeah. Yeah, I cut my hair out. Yeah. It's nice though. I like this. Yeah. Like that.
Matter of fact, you seen it when he first got it. He
This one?
did all this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, we probably finna go downtown or something. I don't know. You know, finna drop this top to this thing. Nice, man. Golly. Nasty. Oh, I like this color on here, y'all. This color on here is nasty. Yeah, this color nasty on that. Color on that nasty. Yeah. Nasty. Yeah. Ooh. It's clean right here, gang. Damn, that's clean as hell. Shit. That's super clean. Stuff ain't gonna never end, man. I might be in the game till the day I die, y'all. Yeah. Yep. Be careful what you do. I'm breaking young girls' heart. Hey, show me. I ain't playing no games, y'all. Damn, that smells nasty. I like that. Stain gang. All right, y'all, so we finna go downtown, probably get y'all another video. Y'all know, man, look, we on grind mode, so I finna get y'all another video, man. We finna head downtown and show y'all what's going on for the day. But until the meantime, between time, man, I appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, gang. So we finna end this freaking video. I think it is 9 o'clock. I don't know. But man, look, the mayor got this show cracking right now, so that's even dope. So they really can't shut nothing down like that, you know what I'm saying? So definitely dope though. Definitely dope, gang. So I'm finna get back to the car, probably go put some petrol on this thing. But all right, y'all, man, finna check out with another video, gang. Peace.